Hello guys, you use smartphone Honor 9X version 4GB RAM memory and 128GB Intel memory. Start unpacking, open box, look completion. In completion have protected back cover, guarantee papers, key for SIM slot, okay, device, and completion adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. Device in the blue color, sapphire blue color. On the back side, triple camera, fingerprint scanner and LED. On the front side, 6.6-inch display. On the right side, power key and volume keys. Upside, camera, front camera, and slot for SIM cards. On the downside, USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone, and headphones jack. Turn on device. Resolution Full HD+, IPS display, open settings, look Android version, about phone, Android 9, version UMI 9.1.0. Okay. Open scientific test Geekbench 5, talk about system information, CPU HiSilicon Kirin 710F, this 4+4 cores CPU 1.7 GHz and 2.2 CPU speed, 4 cores. GPU Mali G51, resolution Full HD+, display PPA. Okay, look results. And GPU test results. Look AnTuTu score. AnTuTu score. Okay. Multi-touch test. Device support 10 touches. And start Guitar San Andreas. Look how Guitar San Andreas work on the device. Max graphic level. Start game. Okay, game load. And works good on the max graphic level. No glitches, no lags. Okay, good gameplay. Close. And talk about camera, main triple camera. 48+8+2 megapixels, front camera 16 megapixels. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.